nighttime. I don't feel like waiting on the light. Oh, that been popping crazy. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Shani, yo, and I'm back with another video, man. So today, bro, we're doing a nighttime POV drive in my Daytona 392. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all boys a cold start. I ain't start my car all day. Alright, so first thing first, I gotta put on a seatbelt. Safety first, y'all. Safety first. So we're finna go ahead and head out, man. Nighttime POV drive. End of bid Daytona 392. You feel me? Hold on, I gotta put my. Oh, it's in there. Alright, bet. Alright. Alright, man, so we are on the way to going on a little nighttime drive. It currently is raining outside. So this is a nighttime POV drive in the rain. Not gonna lie, it's nighttime. I don't feel like waiting on the light. Don't do what I just did, y'all. Please don't. It's not very saint of you guys. My tints are very dark. It's my tint is like 5%. I know I got 5%, but I think it's 35. I think it's a 35 first, and then it's a 5% over that. Plus my windshield's in it, so my windshield is a 20 on the windshield. I think it's 20 on the windshield, 35, 5 over 35 on the side windows and the back window. I think that's my setup right there for my tints. It is very dark. So when there's no lights on the road, guess what? I can't see. I just hit the gas a little bit, gave it a little gas. We got sideways just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta be careful when y'all driving in the rain. Just cause even if your traction on, you could still lose traction very easily. So that's how I crashed my first car, because it was raining and snowing. And I lost traction very, very easily. I am a little under the weather, so don't mind my little coughs. I'm not gonna lie, it's nighttime. I don't like to get caught at lights at nighttime, so that's just me personally. So yeah, that is why I do what I do. Oh! That turn was a sharp turn. I did not know it was that sharp. I'm gonna give it a little gas. Damn. You scared?
A little bit is raining.
We not gonna go in the tree, man. I got you, I promise. We do got Bree in the passenger seat as a special guest. It's dark. Yeah. She's a asshole. Oh! Damn, I didn't know it was that much rain right there. Let me slow down going through this turn.
Yeah, because you don't want to end up all over the bridge.
Hell no, we don't. need y'all to get this video to 1,000 likes. Get this video to 1,000 likes, and everybody who liked this video and got it to 1,000 likes, you'll be in your dream car within the next year. No cap. You could be 13 years old, but guess what? You can't drive, but you can have your dream car. So go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We grinding to 10K. So make sure y'all boys do that. No cap. Alright. Bills they got. Hey man, so would y'all take a job for being somebody personal assistant? Like, you gotta know how to build stuff. So basically you gotta build stuff for artists for $2,000 a month. And this artist has she been nominated for like a Grammy or something?
I think so.
A Grammy nominated artist, right? So you know she got bang. She only gonna pay you $2,000 a month to be her personal assistant and build stuff for her. Are you taking that job? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments, bro. Me personally, I am not taking that job, bro. But if you ain't really got nothing, you ain't really doing nothing, or you making less than $2,000 a month at your job, guess what? I will be at your front doorstep.
It depends on how much of like your time that she needs. Like if it's just
It
like
does,
an
too.
hour or two. But she said building takes time.
Yeah.
And
She
it's
probably
like,
talking about like building a table or
she
something
said
like that.
have
She
to have a car, but it's an assist. I mean, maybe she just needs somebody to assist her with building things. She is like all over the pop. Like maybe she just needs somebody to help her build like the crib.
that job temporary as hell. You probably work there not even a month. You probably
I mean,
get,
it's a quick little holiday bag, I guess.
you probably get like $1,000 for working half of what she has.
But
But
she kind of already cut down the qualifications, so.
yeah,
And I'm pretty sure them 2 qualifications is not trying to build them for you.
yeah.
So you might as well just go ahead and cut that out. You know what I'm saying? Cut it. I guess somebody bought it. I could build, you know what I'm saying? I could build some stuff with my day.
Hey, y'all, this like a little smooth drive at night, you know what I'm saying? Because it's raining. We ain't trying to crash out, you feel me? Like, y'all be wanting niggas to go crazy all the time, bro. Sometimes you just gotta chill. Just like a chill little nice ride,
Sometimes
bro.
you just gotta follow the law.
Well, I wasn't following the law with the red lights, but guess what? Sometimes you just gotta chill and relax, you feel me? Like you can't be going crazy all the time. So I hope y'all enjoy this chill little video. You know what I'm saying? So look, if you made it this far, go tap in with my Instagram at Shawnee Your World, the same as my YouTube name. And go hit your boy with the follow on Instagram and be like, I came from your video, and I'll follow you back, no cap. Seriously. Let me know. So I know who all my real ones is. Y'all go do that. Cause I see y'all really only like the car videos when I post other videos. Like, they be lit vlogs too. But y'all really don't be tapping in. So y'all go tap in with the other vids, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm not a car YouTuber. I'ma set that out right now. I'm not a car YouTuber, bro. I don't know shit about cars. That's my homeboys. But I just drive a fast and nice car, so I fall in that category. But I'm by far not a car guy at all. So I'm gonna let that on me now. I just got a fast car, and I just got the car. When I bought the car, I ain't even know what type of car it was. I just bought that shit just cause I liked it. Now they ain't gonna hold y'all. That's just what it is. I'm entitled to this. I know what I'm entitled to this, but yeah, man, our drive is coming to an end. We got all green lights on the drive back to the spot, which is a blessing. We didn't have to do nothing illegal. So, with that being said, I'm gonna give y'all a couple downshifts before I got to get to the spot. Oh, they been popping crazy. But we at the spot, so make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I see y'all boys in the next one, man. No cap.